26-year-old Canadian woman killed in crash involving Moonga Honorable.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A Canadian woman died from injuries she sustained in a 3-vehicle collision on the Mandela Highway in the vicinity of Ferry, St. Catherine on Saturday morning, January the 12th. The deceased has been identified as Tashana Combermack, a 26-year-old woman of a Canadian address. The Corporate Communications Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force are also reporting that 2 men, including local dancehall entertainer Damian Moonga Honorable Roden, was injured during the incident. Reports are that about 5:50 a.m., Moonga Honorable, who was the driver of a Toyota Axio motor car with 3 passengers aboard, lost control of the vehicle and collided with a Suzuki Vitara motor car. It is alleged that the Suzuki Vitara then collided with a Hiace bus, in which Combermack was a passenger. The police were summoned, and the driver of the Axio and one of his passengers, as well as Combermack, were taken to the hospital. Combermack was pronounced dead, while the men were admitted for treatment. The entertainer and his passenger are believed to be in stable condition.
Another man in again, boy. Nobody not dead. Nobody not dead.
They say the lady dead man. Come here, like them say Moonga must be that right?
Who?
Yeah, this
Moonga Honorable. Same dead.
But the woman that in her front dead.
I saw Moonga tough. Liquid rock so far. And the man in again. I tell them say every morning when I come in and this me come see.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.